Hi, I'm Elliot Sokolow, and I'm the commissioner in the town of Lauderdale by the Sea, and I've been out here this morning planting sea oats to help with dune restoration, which the town has participated in, and we're trying to do it through the whole length of the town along the beach to build the dunes back up. We had a lot of damage during Sandy, and we don't want it anymore. So the Youth Environmental Alliance and several other groups have partnered with the city. Today we've got Wells Fargo out here as a sponsor, and it's been a great learning experience. And I'm sure I'm going to hurt tomorrow from doing it, but it was a lot of fun.
It's hot and it's dirty and it's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun, and we're doing something very good. We're going to hold the sand in place, we're going to protect the beaches, we're going to find new homes for the turtles to nest and for the butterflies to land and the birds to feed. So it's worthwhile. I'm really happy that Lauderdale by the Sea is making this commitment. We have so many volunteers coming out to help, especially school children who appreciate the importance of the beach and the value to the environment. So back to work.